Did you know that starting your day with a smoothie can boost your energy levels and help you stay hydrated? It's like a tasty little health kick in a glass. Smoothies have become a staple in many of our daily routines. And for good reason. They're quick, easy, and can be packed with a variety of nutrients that our bodies need to function at their best. Whether you're looking to fuel up for a workout or just need a healthy snack to get you through the day, smoothies are a great option. To make this delicious daily smoothie, you'll need a few simple ingredients. First, grab a cup of frozen berries. I like to use a mix of blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. Next, add in a half cup of plain Greek yogurt. This will give your smoothie a creamy texture and a boost of protein. Then, add in a half cup of unsweetened almond milk and a tablespoon of chia seeds. Finally, throw in a handful of spinach leaves. Don't worry, the berries will mask the taste of the greens. When it comes to preparing your smoothie, there are a few tips to keep in mind. First, make sure to use frozen berries for a thicker, colder smoothie. You can also add in a few ice cubes if you want a thicker consistency. Second, be sure to blend your smoothie on high speed for about 30 seconds to get a smooth, creamy texture. And finally, feel free to customize your smoothie to your liking. Add in a scoop of your favorite protein powder or swap out the almond milk for coconut milk. The ingredients in this smoothie are not only delicious, but they're also packed with nutrients. The berries are high in antioxidants, which can help protect against cell damage and reduce inflammation. The Greek yogurt provides a boost of protein, which can help keep you full and support muscle growth. The chia seeds are a rich source of fiber, which can help support digestive health. And the spinach leaves are packed with iron, which is essential for healthy red blood cells. In addition to their individual benefits, the ingredients in this smoothie work together to provide a range of health benefits. The combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats can help keep you full and support weight management. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in the berries and spinach can help protect against chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. And the calcium in the Greek yogurt can help support bone health. The healthy fats in the almond milk and chia seeds can help support heart health. The spinach leaves are also high in vitamin K, which is essential for blood clotting and bone health. Many nutritionists and health experts agree that smoothies can be a great way to get essential nutrients in a quick and easy way. One said, "Smoothies are a great way to pack in a variety of fruits and vegetables in one meal, making it easier to meet your daily nutrient needs." In summary, this delicious daily smoothie is a quick, easy, and nutritious way to boost your energy levels and support your overall health. With its combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats, it's the perfect way to start your day. So, I encourage you to give this smoothie recipe a try and see how it can benefit your health and wellness. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the recipe and if you have any favorite smoothie ingredients. And if you're looking for more healthy eating tips, be sure to check out my next video on healthy meal prep ideas.